People think that when the grid goes out, like I had for 30 days, people think you can't adapt stuff. See that's a grid tie charger. That thing right there with these two MC4 connectors on it going to a battery, like there's a battery pack here. Them MC4 connectors go to that charge controller and they charge these batteries. There's no grid, there's no nothing. It has lights, really. One here too. You can see it right there. Okay. There's enough cord there. It can drop down outside of here, put on a charger, pull out 2-3 batteries, and start charging off these lines. Really. That's what I did for 2 systems that I have. Really. Truck. That white truck will charge the battery on that trailer. It's connected to it. It was connected to it. It was designed that way for a government test. And it will charge that battery that's on the front of the trailer to full charge when it's running. Really. This other thing here, that's the charger. It charges the whole thing. That ever ready yellow thing. That thing has a pigtail. See, there's a pigtail right here. You can see the pigtail. It'll disconnect it and it works, really. What are you gonna do when the whole thing goes down, like a coronal mass ejection, a solar storm, or everything, and the power grid is totally fried? Like what happened to me, but I'm the only one without power. What happens if it's countywide, statewide, countrywide, earthwide? Really? You're on your own. You're going to run to the woods? What are you going to use for power? Really? It's all fried. Really? That's what we're facing. Possible. Real possible. This is what SHTF looks like when the power lines are burned in the ground. Really. This is a kangaroo clown show from Obama land. Needs to be locked up in a nut house. Literally. Lock this fool up. He's the biggest fucking fool I ever saw. Pardon me, but he shouldn't have even been in the White House. Literally. And this thing, I've already went through every tank of propane and it's been filled. And I have to at least fill the 30-pounder and 150 40-pounder still. I I'm going to the little gas generator I got than this big pile of crap. Really. The heater don't work. I'm running off buddy heaters and electric heaters and a generator. And space heaters. I'm getting sick of this crap. Literally, I paid my rent. You know, you can't have the power lines right in the ground to my house. I've been here 29 years and a half, and you can't. Where'd all the money go to? Oh, it's literally, yeah, it's that time. Finally, something works. Oh, by the way, that's the heater that cost $2,500. It don't work. You know, it was a direct short. You know, shit's burned out on their problem, not mine. I'm getting sick of this. Literally, I am. The clown show. You better wake up, dipshit. This is all my destroyed 4 grid tie systems that I cannot use anymore because they were fried and the electric company and that put in the wrong service to my house. They literally didn't do their job properly for $12,000. Really. They're fluoride head idiots. Really. They are. The big screw job that fried the electric system. Everything, including the solar panels. Main system to aid the grid. Really. They're that. This is how dumb these morons are. They haven't even to this day checked on what damage was done. Really. Have a nice day. Welcome to the next EMP that hits us, or main surge, or hacker, or whatever, because morons want to embezzle money and don't do their job and pocket it and run. Really. All of these videos that I show after this, or the pictures, were saved on Google Drive for the time from March 20th to April 22nd or whatever of 2025 while I was without power. I guess the generator fairy and the propane fairy and all that came to visit and dropped the stuff off here, and you know, it's like I had $3,000 spent before it even started, really, with solar and all that. You know, these insurance companies lost their minds. They're a bunch of mental morons, really. I mean, I've got proof of the stuff. I lived through hell. I'm still living through hell. What a moron plan, really.